So a bit of an update. What we got here is a injection fuel tank. So the car was a carb model previously, so managed to get this. Actually got it from Poland, but there's a 240 litre pump in there. I've taken the connector off and I'm just going to hard wire these, which will feed this swirl pot, and then from that got a Bosch equivalent. This is a HRC Performance. It's a Bosch copy, but a previous success with these on my old Mercedes that had an RB25 in it, so no reason why this can't do the power that I want. I ran 350 at the wheels on my RB25 with one of these, so this should be fine for circa 280-300 horsepower. So this pump will feed this, and this will feed the engine. It'll return here and then back to the tank, which is this line here. So considering the age of the car, it's not too bad. There's a few bits of surface rust here, a bit of solid grey. I'm just going to paint that up. I did consider painting it all, but yeah, I didn't bother in the end. So I'm just going to get this fitted. Oh yeah, a new fuel filter as well. Got to be an extra 25 horsepower, genuine Bosch. So yeah, I'm going to get this fitted and I'll come back. Also got some new wheels. So these are Combo Motive TH1s or TH2s, I think. These actually were originally, these are 16s. They didn't do these size in the offset for a Vauxhall. So these are normally ET30. The Vauxhalls are generally ET49. So I've had some machining work done on these. I've had 7 or 8 mil machined off the back face of here to bring them out. So this is more like ET38, which is there or thereabouts really. Doesn't really protrude on the back as well, you can see. They fit quite nicely. I've only had the front ones machined. The back ones are ET30, but plenty of space here. Got some new centre caps. And these are quite small tyres on here. These are 165/45/16, so we'll see how we get on with the grip on these, but really like the look of them. They look really smart. So I'm not sure that I've shown the exhaust system previously, so it's a 2.5 inch 2-box system with a, let's say, a 3.5 inch outwardly rolled. Quite nicely done. There's a centre box. That is the bit that goes over the beam when you cut those brackets off. Previous car that I got it off didn't run the standard tank, and then I just need to make a piece from there to the downpipe. So yeah, this should this actually ran on track a few times with the previous car, so the shouldn't be too loud, especially with that centre box there. So the tanks on. That connection there was tricky, but got it on. Just started to connect up the fuel pipe, so the rubber pipe is the return. This will be the feed via the filter, and then I'm just going to run. I've got some pipe there, which is some 8mm high pressure air conditioning pipe, but that'll do lovely. I'll run. But yeah, that's another job off the list. One thing that I didn't do though was connect up the pump before the tank was fitted. I'm not taking that off again, so which is something that I need to do anyway. I will drill a hole there, which should get me close to the pump and will allow me to change the pump should anything happen in the future. So I'm going to cut that out, and then I can connect the pump up.